Hi guys, welcome back. For those of you who are new to this channel, welcome to I'm Destiny Calling Tarot. And Pisces, welcome to your weekly reading. This reading is going to cover the time frame of March 15th through March 21st. It's going to be a general reading here for the Pisces collective. So where it's so general, if you're noticing messages are not resonating with you, don't try to force them. It simply means those particular messages weren't meant for you, and that's okay. Dates as well, they really are just general guidelines here in the reading. All right, also stay tuned for the next video, guys. A winner will be announced for the free personal reading contest by yours truly. Let's get started. Pisces. Just bring in those vibes for Pisces. Tapping into the energies for Pisces. All right, your overall energy for this reading is, it says Archangel Michael. So it says, I am grateful for the strength and courage Archangel Michael brings to my life. Yeah. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Doesn't it feel good to have a heart full of gratitude? All right, let's get clarifying details for you guys. Spirit, what clarifying details can you send forward for Pisces? Spirit, what clarifying details can you send forward for Pisces? And this is going to be to cover the time frame of March 15th through March 21st, 2020. Clarifying details, please, for Pisces. Oops, on the floor. Spirit, please provide additional clarifying details for Pisces. Another one on the floor. All right, what do we got here? Let's try to get a few more. Spirit, what did you need to have come forward in the form of messages for Pisces? March 15th to March 21st, 2020. All right. Okay, so there's two that fell on the floor, and they're definitely your cards. The rest are kind of me fumbling around. Oh wow, this is not your card, but I think it is here for a reason. It's actually a card from another deck. It fell on the floor, it was under the table. I think it's symbolic in some way, so we're kind of just gonna go with it. All right. Whew, okay, getting into the energies. You have to begin your reading, you have the Hangman. So overall, your energy here with the Hangman, guys, is all about you feeling as though you have been maybe stuck in your energies I am sensing that you are coming out of being tired and kind of just worn down. So you're coming out of that, right? And your energies here are all about unsticking your energies, being unstuck. So the energies that I am getting is you're transitioning into that grateful, you're just finding moments of complete peace and bliss where you zone out and you can stare up into the sky and see the clouds, or you can see tree branches just flowing in the wind. You might see a bird pass by your window. Just those things that really just make you stop for seconds and really appreciate the beauty in the universe, right? Likely where you're at during this time. So you are feeling a very big heart, very grateful feeling in your heart, and you're realizing that you have been supported on many different levels as far as really coming forward with the strength and courage that it's taken you to get through some of your life battles. So you're grateful for the support on a spiritual level from guardian angels and ascended masters who have really supported you up until this point. So that's where the energies are kind of transitioning here. And then you have Nine of Wands. Don't give up is what this is telling you guys. Some of you may have been having that feeling with the Hangman, which is a major arcana card beginning of the reading. So you're on your way to these energies, but some of you are not there yet, and that's okay. Some of you are going to be reevaluating your circumstances. So not specifically sure what that means. It could be reevaluating where you live. It could be reevaluating a relationship. It could be reevaluating your closet space, right? Whatever it is in your life that is top priority for you right now, you're putting your focus into, you're really giving it some time for reflection here. You want to make sure that you're protecting things that you've already created in your life, right? Love this. This is all about having the courage and belief in yourself, right? So courage here, strength, double indication of that. I don't know if I agree with this message, but I am going to send the message forward. I'm hearing specifically for some people, some individuals, it's time to kind of to change your more fiery side. I don't know why you would want to. I'm the type of person that thinks that that could be a good thing, and it likely will take you places, but that is the message that came through. So if it's specific for you, it's going to resonate. Not that I have to agree with all the messages, but I do put them out there. So your overall feeling, sensation that I'm getting here in this reading is that you're being led really into a new, intense personal direction. Something in your personal life I'm feeling you're going to go into likely more time out for self, more time for self-reflection, more time to still your mind, to still the thoughts, more time to allow messages to come in. Next card we have is Five of Swords. This is all about potentially seeing someone here as a rival. Some of you have the air of competition. So it could be possibly a battle for dominance, maybe in a relationship. Just cautionary message, just really don't be ruthless in the measures that you're taking if you're in that whole competitive nature or battle for dominance here. Just overall, if you're seeing someone as a rival or a competitor, just be careful that that doesn't cause unnecessary conflict or chaos, right? I'm getting a sense of really wanting to honor people's differences. I think that's beautiful. That is amazing. I love that there for you. So much. Okay. Next card, Two of Pentacles. So this is a caution for you to balance things out, not to have too much going on at one time. Be open to compromises right now. Make sure that you are taking personal responsibility, and forgive your limitations. This is also really, really quite important at this time. Make sure your goals are realistic. Not only your goals, but your goals and your expectations. Sensing that you're looking to just bring in, more joy. You're looking to play and work at the same time. You're looking to combine the two. It's a time right now to be flexible. It's a time right now to trust in the universe and really just trust that the universe will shape what is coming into being for you. All right, Temperance card. Temperance card, which is a Major Arcana card. So Major Arcana, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 Major Arcana here in the reading. So those tend to be a little bit more of a dramatic impact than it would be if it's a minor card. Wow, this is going to be just have a caution here about being codependent. Yeah, that's just kind of a cautionary message. Also, you could be dealing with people who are more so on the negative side right now, and it's really just about understanding here, patience, and everybody has a dark side. It's nothing personal. Yeah, that's pretty much what I'm getting there for that card. 9 of Cups is the next card, followed by 3 of Cups. So we had Cups generally tend to be all about feelings. So as you noticed, perhaps I'm not going too quickly through the reading. I am very much just operating on more so the energies. I can't force the energies to change, otherwise it wouldn't be authentic. So some readings I had messages coming really, really quickly, and it's hard to keep up, and there's just a lot to bring forward, and sometimes they come just Every so often they're a little bit slower. So I'm just going to put that out there so you understand the process that I go through when I'm channeling messages. Everyone's different, so I just wanted to share that with you guys. 9 of Cups. Pampering yourself. It's time to pamper yourself. You feel it, you want it, you know it, right? It's going to allow you to have high self-esteem at this time. Yeah, that's really what I'm getting there from that card. But as far as the next card, 3 of Cups. Like I said, the 3s are usually more so about emotions, so it's really a sense here of just being more carefree and focusing on developing yourself. Love that. Then the Magician card. So the Magician card is a Major Arcana card, and the Major Arcana card does have a little bit more of an impact here in the reading than, of course, the Minor. Again, a little bit of a competition energy here. Sensing very skillful communication on your part during this time. Guys, this is a very positive omen for you. Very positive. You're so positive, in fact, that when you're in alignment during these energies, when you're really in alignment with Spirit's will, you're kind of moving more so towards miracle manifestation opportunities. So that's really, really exciting. Some of you are going to have a need to negotiate. Negotiations are taking place. Like I said, you have really great, skillful communication skills right now, especially. So that's going to be in your favor. Overall, the Magician note stands out, just you showing off your skills and your abilities, right? You are humble, but you're not doing it with ego, but you are very much proud of your skills and your abilities, and you're putting them out there. That's fantastic. Next card, 7 of Pentacles. Potentially you're opening up to a whole new strategy here. You're very much focusing on a long-term goal here, guys. This is you looking towards the future and, yeah, preparing some form of a long-term goal. Page of Swords. All right, in this reading in particular, new ideas for sure, a new focus. Okay, so you guys are understanding also that situations really are ever changing. Nothing in life remains constant. If there's delays, especially during this time, this is giving you flexibility to deal with that. Yeah, but overall, just new ideas and new focus. So with the long-term planning, new ideas, you're looking at potentially the next 6 months what your focus is going to be, where you want to be at the end of possibly 6 months, maybe even for some of you as far out as the next year. Okay. Ten of Swords. This is all about you opening up and not putting limits whatsoever on what the universe can bring your way. You're really starting off right now with, it's a sense of a hopeful new beginning. So whatever it is you're allowing, it's almost like you're pressing the restart button in a sense. Yeah, I'm sensing that quite strongly. You're starting here, it's almost like I said, you're pressing the reset button and you're planning for long-term planning here. Really interesting. Yeah, it's a big message as well. Don't put limits on what the universe can bring to you at this time, guys. Yeah, that's really what I'm getting there from that card. The last card, like I said, this is the Lover's card. We'll talk about that in a minute. But Wheel of Fortune is the last card here in your reading. Also a Major Arcana card. It's all about positive vibes here. It's very symbolic of possible miracle manifestation. Just putting that out there. Yeah, it's really all about, as well with the wheel, understanding here that the change is constant and it's an inevitable part of life, right? So it's all about a sense and a feeling, again, of you just pressing that reset button and, you know, possibly starting out a new cycle or a new phase in your life. You're feeling in sync with the universe, and you're ready for that next big step that the universe has planned for you. And a lot of you are getting lucky breaks coming your way. Things might just seem to be working out perfectly for you, which is what you deserve so much. It's just a feeling of knowing right now. You don't feel stuck, right? Like you started out feeling stuck with the Hangman. So as you can see, beginning of the reading, Hangman, Major Arcana. End of reading, Wheel of Fortune, Major Arcana. So it's a complete turnaround. And this Lover's card that came out wasn't really a part of the deck. It needed to come and be a part of your reading for whatever reason, right? I believe this isn't a coincidence that it came out. I do believe that this Lover's energy really resonates here with the overall energies here. It's just, it's quite symbolic actually of your spirit guides, of guardian angels, ascended masters, just spirit, whatever that means to you. Just you're opening up to receiving the energies of love that they want to come your way, and you're recognizing how incredibly loved you are, and you're opening, it almost seems like you're opening another, it's another chamber of your heart. I don't know like how to explain it, but it's almost like there's another little area in your heart that's been, maybe it's felt a little bit empty and it's starting to fill up. Okay, so it's starting to fill up here with the love of your guardian angels, and it's just pure unconditional love. And I love that that came out, because it's huge for some of you who have had that missing piece. It's starting to come into focus here. I love when messages like that pop out. It's just, oh, it's a great feeling. Okay. And that is the end of your reading, guys. I'm going to select your inspirational card here and end the reading with that, as always. Spirit, please provide inspirational message for Pisces. I still can't get over that. It's amazing. It says, instead of worrying about the future, I know all is well when I'm aligned in the moment. Isn't that gorgeous? Simply gorgeous. All right, guys, that's the end of your reading for this week. Thanks so much for joining me. I wanted to put a shout out to each and every single one of you who watch these videos and every single one of you who've commented. Lovely comments. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. Yeah, so if you haven't already, guys, love to have you back from week to week. So don't forget to go ahead, click on like and subscribe.